everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! Well, today I am going to do another makeup tutorial. And while I'm doing my makeup tutorial, I have a topic today. And my topic is 10 reasons why you should next a person, meaning out of here. So let's get started. I've already started doing my eyebrows, and I use Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is really my go-to. I use this all the time, and I use that to outline my eyebrows to give them that kind of thick look. And then afterwards, I used my Brow Vow Conditioning Primer, also from Benefit. So I put that after I outline my eyebrows. I apply the conditioning gel, and then Gimme Brow. So I got the whole Benefit brow going on here, and I can highly recommend it. I like Benefit's products as far as brow gels are concerned. I mean, it stays on the whole day, so you don't have to worry about them rub it off. I mean, most eyebrow gels stay on, but this one really looks natural. Although I still love my Yves Saint Laurent Couture brow, but unfortunately, I don't find it anywhere. So I don't know. I guess they discontinued the item. I have no idea. But anywho, so let's get started. So my first reason to next somebody is mood swings. Oh, I can't stand it when people have mood swings. You know, I realize that we all have issues, and we all we all have moments or days that we're not feeling good. But if it's consistent and you always have to go to that person like, what's wrong with you? And you know, it's just and no reason, no legitimate reason. Next. So, this is my MAC, and this is the MAC concealer, and this is the Studio Finish, SPF 35, and this is the color NC 45, yes. And of course, I'm using my MAC Fresh, and I put this around my eyebrows to clean them up and give them a nice little form. I can shape them up. So, number 2 reason to give somebody the next sign is passive aggressive behavior. Now, this is a new word I learned myself. I didn't know what it meant, but I've been doing some researching and reading, and passive aggressive behavior is when somebody makes comments and you have to think about it, and you're like, that wasn't nice. What's that all about? That's considered passive aggressive behavior. It's not really aggressive, but you know, it's something where you have to go. And if this person is showing you that and making comments like that, next. This is MAC, and this is the Strobe Cream, and this is the color Golden Light, and I use this as my base. Put this on, and then afterwards I put my foundation on. So the third reason I would say next is somebody who makes promises and do not keep them, okay? I do realize that we all have things to do, and sometimes it happens where you say you're gonna do something and it doesn't work out. But if that person is constantly making promises and they're constantly got excuses about why they can't blah, 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 blah. Next! Yeah, this is my Prolong MAC Concealer in my Beauty Blender, and I this under my eyes so I can cover up those little dark spots. Yes. So the fourth reason I would say next to that person is ghosting. Do you guys know what ghosting means? Well, ghosting means if you're talking or chatting with somebody and then all of a sudden you don't hear anything anymore. That's considered ghosting. And then all of a sudden they reappear. Don't even give that person another chance. Yes, I know things happen, but not in the beginning when you're just getting ready to know somebody and then they pull a ghost move on you. You know what I do? Next! Studio Fix Fluid, MAC, and this is the color NC45, and this is my beauty blender, and this is my foundation, and I'm gonna smooth everything out. Yes, smooth it out. Give me that flawless look. Yes. So, the sixth reason for nexting somebody. Check out how they treat other people. Yes, check it out. See if they're respectful to other people. You know, when you're hanging out and see how they treat like people who can't do anything for them or people who are somewhat beneath them. How are they to them? Are they disrespectful? Are they mean? Check it out, because that's very important. And if they are disrespectful and flippy and moody, you know what to do. Next them. Get them out of here. So, eyeshadow time. I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star, and this is the Morphe palette. And I'm going to start with the color My, which is this beauty right there. It's really light. And I'm going to use my MAC brush, which is the 217. And I'm just going to just a tad bit, dab it. To get a better idea what it looks like. It's light. So guys, the seventh reason I have to next somebody is a person who gossips about other people. Never a good sign. I understand when you we all somehow tend to gossip or may not, but if they're constantly gossiping, out of here, okay? That's a no-go. This color I'm going to dip into using my MAC brush, and I have no idea what number this is, but it's an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use the color Pink Fleet. That's this guy right here. Very springy-like, guys. So, the next reason, which is actually the eighth reason, to give that person the next is if they're negative. Nobody likes pessimistic people. I mean, everything you tell them and they're always negative. You know what to do, ladies or men. Next. So I'm gonna take my eyeliner, and this is the color Woodstock, and this is from Urban Decay. And I'm gonna put this pretty pink color on my waterline, or my bottom waterline. Yes, I got it this time. Waterline, it's called. So, the next reason, which is the number 9, to next somebody. If that person is showing any signs of insecurity, you all know what I mean, jealousy. That's right. What do you have to do? You gotta next them. Get them out of there. You don't want any part of a person who's insecure. No. Next, okay? Guys, what do you think about this eye look? Well, I use my favorite eyeliner, which is Yves Saint Laurent. And this is the color number 1, Minimal Noir. And yeah, as usual, I like to do my cat wing look. And I also added, just to give it a little bit more pop effect, I used Urban Decay, and this is the color Freak, and I put it here. So I'm going to list everything at the bottom, guys, so don't worry. So if you're interested, go get these products. You know, it's springtime and you should play around and, you know, do it up. So anywho, so last but not least, number 10. Another reason why you should next somebody is if that person never has time. Yes, I do realize that we all have busy schedules, but nobody's that daggone busy, okay? Nobody's that busy. You have time to make time. So, if that person is always busy, don't waste your time, okay? Just next them. Get them out of there ASAP. So everybody, I don't know, my voice is trying to like skadoodle here, but anywho, I hope you all enjoyed the video. And so if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Yes, a thumbs up. And I would like to hear you all's comments. Like to get the conversation going. So if you guys have some ideas on reasons why you would next a person, please list them below. Very interested. And also, I'm gonna also list some influencers who I like to listen to and who I learn a lot from, and perhaps you can also learn a lot from them. A lot of the reasons are often narcissistic traits. So you guys might want to learn about narcissism. It is very important because these people are out there, okay, guys, and they're everywhere. They're all around us. So yes. I like to talk about this stuff because I know firsthand. I've experienced it and still got these people, unfortunately, around me. So, guys, do the work, check it out, and remember, don't hesitate to next people. You don't need this type of people in your life, and trust me, they're out there, and don't let them slide through, because if you give a person an inch, they will take a mile. Anywho, until next time, bye.